relax the shoulder. Good. Tender?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, turn to the other side. Okay. Yeah. Looks a little stiff going this way. And I feel a big lock right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Relax this shoulder now and do the big breaths. It's running away from me. Right there. Uh-huh. Big breath. Oh yeah, baby. Come back to the middle. Alright, you're pretty much almost level. Not really. Push your forehead down against the table. Yeah, even shorter. Okay, relax. Take a few deep breaths. We're going to do the top drop. The drop and pop.
Top down and up.
Top drop and pop. People told me on YouTube I got to make a name for this move, that nobody else is doing it. My stuff's been going viral.
Hey.
Okay, big breaths. Yeah, I could already feel this right side. Oh yeah, let the shoulders go. Let the neck stretch. Yeah. Wow, that's tight. No worries, let them go. Yeah, there it is. It's all in the worries. Next breath, let all those worries that you think about, let them all go. Blast them into space. Right there. Right there. Whoa! Super tight. Barely got it. I'm pretty sure we got it though. You're feeling it.
Pretty sure you did.
Yeah, you're feeling it. Okay, and your legs leveled out. Go ahead and push your forehead down against the table again. Good, you're staying level now. Just relax, take a few more deep breaths. You made it.